Yo guys, before starting off this video I will show you some cinematic effects with my new camera. See whole video. Hi guys, welcome back to our video and I am your host Shaurya, also आपका sourceboxtv, and this is our YouTube channel and we are going to test our new technologies Raspberry Pi or Arduino, and this video we will test our new camera Canon 1300D. And do you know guys what a big deal is that we will be just testing out this new beautiful camera and use it for our future videos. Earlier I was started making my new videos with this only my phone and the quality was not that much good, but we have now our camera and we will just start making our new good videos. And thank you guys for your all support and likes. We have got 20 plus subscribers with your help, and this is our 20 plus special video. And now let's move on. And we are here to just tell you about this camera. This camera includes a really good quality of image sensor that helps you to capture really good images at this budget of 20,000. So it's really cool thing. You can also cross check how much cost of this camera is, and this camera produces from 1920p into 180p.
These my dance make it hurt.
Into 180p images, but at 25 fps. If you go below that some resolution, so you get at 60 fps. So this camera includes 118 by 55 mm of lens. It also comes without lens. It's your choice to enable it. I suggest you to enable the lens to just plug in the lens. I got it in not by Amazon, by local retailers, but even that also is good at this price or discount. I don't know, my dad bought this. So now I would suggest you how I'm using this camera with my PC. It's really simple. You have to just go to Canon website, webcam utility. So you have to go to this India website. Why I'm telling to go to India website? Because they would have this download button. USA one doesn't have. You have to download this, and when you have downloaded this, you have to go to your back to your folders. So you have to go to the downloads. I have also downloaded it. So I would suggest you to buy Windows or Mac OS to use this camera, because otherwise on Linux it would be usable with only Wine 86. You know that thing, or there are many other things. So you have to just click to webcam utility setup, so it would be set up. Many other YouTubers suggest you have to download this thing also called as Canon utility, but I wouldn't suggest you. When you have downloaded this webcam utility and you have downloading EOS utility, it would just make your things buggy and your camera won't work. So I would suggest to download one of them for much more better thing. I would suggest you to download Canon webcam utility. But if you want also file transfer with a GUI so you should download that. Without that also file transfer work. If I just enabled it, so I could just transfer photos, camera, etc. from my Canon. So it's really simple one. A great feature of this camera is that it comes with NFC and Wi-Fi transfer for your phone, but if you want to use it as your desktop webcam, then I personally say you just disable the Wi-Fi, because it is just going to bug you. And it also comes with AF mode. What does AF mode does? It recognizes your photo and it just say the chip that this is human, and when it recognizes you as human, so it automatically stabilize your picture. This is really good thing. And it also comes with various filters like fisheye or the toy filter, and it also comes with mono settings. What does mono setting does? It just make your photo black and white, which is also good, but not every time. The best mode is auto mode. What does auto mode does? It provides you with flash and the camera, and it enhances your beauty of your photo. What basically I wanted to tell, that DSLRs are really good cameras even for bloggers, YouTubers, or any type of profession you use. But if you want to use camera, you can go for any DSLR. The best DSLR company is Canon only. See you in my next video. I'm ending my video, and bloopers coming next. Bye guys. Hi guys, before you leave this video, go and like and subscribe our channel. Bye guys.